So once you have access into the program, it will look something like this. Mind you, these videos can change at any time. The reason is because sometimes when people take off their ads by switching it off or something like that, it will display like this, especially if it's a video. Yeah, you have an error message like this: video is not available. So this is no fault of ours. We're just doing the best we can to sort out the best ads to promote to get to you. But sometimes when people turn off their ads, you will have no access to it. So that's why this happens, and that's when me and my team are always trying to update the information as often as we can. Now, about how to best use this program is this. So let's use this for example. Okay, a lot of people have asked me, they don't know what the ad copy is like. It's quite interesting because this right here is the ad copy. Okay, and if you need to see more of it, you just need to click on the ad itself. Okay, you just click on the ad and it takes you to Facebook. It's that simple. Alright, what we might want to do as well is add the link to the post as well as the post itself. So even if you can't directly click on it, you can go to the post itself, so which is what we've done now. Okay, so it will load up on Facebook. This is the post URL. So this post just loaded up. Okay, to see what they have here, I'll just click on the see more, and I can see that this is all their ad copy. Okay, to copy this, I'll just copy and paste this. I'll just copy this, Control C. I'll go to my Google Docs, okay, and I'll paste it on Google Docs. I might want to paste this as paste without formatting. I want to just paste without formatting. Great. So this is what it should look like. Okay, and to easily get to Google Docs is docs.google.com. Okay, now I have the ad copy of this particular ad, and I want to see the sales page. Okay, there are a couple ways to do that. Usually they have their links on the page, so usually they have their ads on the ad copy, so you just click on it. So let's see what their landing page looks like. Great. As you can see, it says healthy life group, blah blah blah. This is the landing page. You can easily find out what pixel this landing page is searching for by just clicking on this tab here. It says no pixel found on this web. So just to be sure if it's giving you the right information, you can refresh to see if that's the right information. As you can see, that wasn't the right information, but this is page view, and this is the pixel that is tracking on this website. So they are tracking a page view conversion on this page. But once I click on this, I'll open this in a new tab. This is their sales page. Okay, it says how I control the silent killer hypertension, blah blah blah. Okay, now it's supposed to still show you, it's now saying the same thing. Let's refresh. So you can see again, this is page view. It's quite interesting. Now if I can copy all this. Simple, very simple. Copy all this and paste this and just paste it here. See, because it's Google Docs, it will retain the pictures and the text just as you have copied it. Very, very interesting. You can see all of this still displaying just as I have copied. Crazy. So you can easily just repurpose this by the time you're ready to create your own funnel, just the way it displays like this, or you can see what has been displayed here. Where is it again? Yeah, what has been displayed here, and follow suit just the way I taught you. It's rows and columns. If you don't know how that works, you have courses on funnels that comes with this package that explains how to build a funnel. Okay, to get the videos like this. This is a YouTube video. You can download the video and re-upload it yourself. Okay, you can just click on the icon here. Okay, and then you download the video. Easy ways to do this is to either use IDM downloader, or you could save the video, but I will say use IDM downloader. Or you don't even have to use the video, download the video rather. You can just use the video just the way it is. Okay, you click the share button and click embed and copy this link, and then post the link in your own web page, the same way it's displaying here. Okay, and that's it. That's all you have to do. You can check where these buttons are linked to by opening it in the tab. Okay, so as you can see, this is their this is the same page. Oh yeah, this is the same page. They put an anchor on it. An anchor is something that drags the page down to where they want you to see the buy now button. So great, now we have everything we need. I think that's all there is to it. Okay, see here it says page view. So by the time we fill up our details, let me fill up my details here. Okay, so I'll put that there, one pack, and then place my order and see what happens. So it says, thank you page, thank you for your patronage. Your order will be received. For inquiries, call this SMS number. You can see now we have 2 pixels firing on this thank you page, and both of them are still page view. So there's a big chance that they are running conversions for page view or running traffic for page view. That's how you know how these people are running ads. Now if they have pixels on their sites, it's because they are using conversions. Okay, you don't need conversions for traffic or any other form of advertising, but if you're going to use conversions, you need a pixel. So right now it shows that they actually might be running this ad on 2 different ad accounts, or they have a dormant pixel and an active pixel. So this is the active pixel with the green mark here. Okay, and that's all there is to it, to knowing how an ad is performing using the products you find, using the ads you find on the SaaS. Now one other thing is, as you can see here, you see the way they display differently. Okay, and that's no fault of ours. There's this that's not our doing, rather. I think it's better to say it that way. This ad, for example, is a video ad. You see how it's displayed and has the ad copy under this video. It doesn't have the likes on it, but it has the targeting options. You can see how this is an image, but the ad copy is on top of it. Okay, it has the call to action, it has the likes, it also has the targeting options. So once you see a video that works best for you, you can just model it based on the information that you have here. Okay, now we always make sure that we give you the targeting options. This is Healthy Ways trying to reach people in the US people who speak UK English and US English, people who are 33 or older, people whose primary location is Nigeria. So once you're targeting, you would make sure you follow through with this targeting and see how they are running their ads. They are using the 3-page funnel. Sorry, that's not them. They're using the 3-page funnels. This page, and the page and this other page. Okay, this is their sales page, and then they have a thank you page. So you'll do you do well if you did take the courses, but if you didn't, you might struggle because you don't understand what any of this means. So if you have any questions, please don't hesitate to ask us. We're always very happy to help. Without any more to inform you about, please, I hope you enjoyed the solution, and please give us your feedback. It would really help us do better and we're always doing our best to change these ads as soon as they are turned off.